Hey there guys, Edward here and welcome to our 25 tutorial on how to make an e-commerce website. So today we're gonna work on the register page, and what this register page is gonna do is gonna allow our users, the future user I mean, to create an account on our site and to make shopping. Let's say that each time they want to go to products and buy and stuff like that, they will need an account so that we can keep the evidence of few things. Probably it's not gonna be too important for pay, because when they're gonna pay on when the products is gonna arrive to their home, or using PayPal. So we're gonna allow them two options to pay. So probably most of the people will use PayPal for payment, but I think there are 4 or 3 videos until we arrive to the payment system and we finish out the series. Okay. So open your Dreamweaver or whatever you use, doesn't matter. I'm gonna go to index.php. Okay. And I'm gonna save file, save as, register. Close the index. Okay, let's see, we don't need this part right here with the product. It's useful. Style, we let it like that, we need it. Okay, I'm gonna add a comment here. Okay, let's see. We need the forms. So remove the PHP blocker from here. Put forms.css. Okay, products, stuff like that, delete all the style shit, we don't need this. Do this product right here, no. Put an h2 tag, and class is gonna be equal to, refresh, page title. So close. They say here create account. And put a break line and everything's gonna be okay. Now, because I'm a too lazy person, I'm gonna go to admin actually, and probably to index as well is good. And I can steal this form right here and stuff like that. Control C, we can close here, Control V. Okay, I'm gonna line this. So method is gonna be post, action is gonna be register .php, and time multiple for the intern, blah blah blah. Okay, table row. Okay, first is gonna be let's say full name. Okay. Don't need this. No. Okay. So we're gonna name this full name. Okay. Sorry guys, but I actually like to have things ordered in my script. Okay. Next thing, let's say we need their full name. So next thing, probably is gonna be country. Okay, so and here we're gonna use a select statement. Now probably most of you don't have all the countries in an HTML format. I have that, so I'm gonna open. I think they are in my social site, like here. I have, yes, here countries. So I'm gonna Control C this. Control V here. So I have the countries now. Control C and close. So name is gonna be country. Okay, we don't have a specific value, so we can delete this. Actually, we're gonna let it null. So value equals nothing. Okay, we delete this. And if you guess what I'm gonna do in the next seconds, you are a smart person. Or yeah. So we're gonna use PHP to include that if you don't know. So include score once, and from where we include from the main directory. And let me close the admin because let me refresh. Okay, so you can see here country.txt. So again, I'm gonna copy, Control C, Control V, and we have all the countries selected. Okay. Okay. Now that we know their country, what else? Oh, there is a city, so we're gonna say something like city. Oh, and by the way, put this here, here, here. Okay, so in this way we're gonna tell them that the input marked with this symbol with the star are not optional, so they must insert all the valid data in them. So cities must be completed, because if we don't know their city, how we supposed to deliver their products there? Oh my god. So I'm gonna copy, where is that input? Right here. Oh, and for full name, maybe we're gonna be 255. Probably they have a long name, of course, whatever. Okay, so city, no longer the 50. Name is gonna be city. Next thing. So here their city. Next thing. Oh, it's gonna be their state. And this is the case where when they come from USA. I am from Romania, so whatever. So state. Gonna be state. 50 as well. Okay. So this is gonna be the last one. This is gonna be for address. So we're gonna say here something like address. It's gonna be as well. Okay, so address. Okay, so this is gonna be the last one. Next thing are after state. Well, we actually need their email address. Doink. No, phone, with their phone. So phone, and the type is gonna be type. It's right here somewhere, I know. Number, like, tell. Radio range research. Where is this file handling? Tel. And tel comes from telephone. Yes, HTML tag. And this is very useful when they are on a mobile device. They gonna type more easier, in case you don't know. Okay. So now we can call them, but in the case we can't call them or we want to send them email, yes, we need an email. So email name is gonna be email, type is gonna be email, 100 maximum. Okay. Next thing is gonna be a password. Let's say password. Type is gonna be password. Name is gonna be password. 20 characters are enough. And I think we're done. Zip postal and stuff like that, you can add it optionally if you want. I will not add that because I'm not interested about that. So password and email are as well, and phone as well. Okay. Create an account. Okay. Error message, we're gonna need an error message as well. And we're gonna say that it's equals to nothing right now because I want to refresh the page and I don't want to see any error. So table as well. And form. So it's quite big, so let's save, and I'm gonna say something like register. And here it is. Okay. So let me think. Full name, type, state, email, address. Everything is done. Now we need a PHP block and we are done. So even we don't have enough time to do that, I'm gonna try just to open out the PHP block and stuff like that. So let's declare first of all the variables. So we need full name, and I'm gonna say, then I'm gonna put the PHP variable with the same name as the inputs to be a lot more easier. So full name is gonna be equal to nothing. Country is gonna be equal to nothing as well. City equal to nothing. State equal to nothing. City, state, phone, email, password, okay. address. And we need as well the error message. It's gonna be equal to nothing as well. Now if no here, no. So if is set post full name, then. And with this part we continue on in the next video because it's pretty long, the PHP blog. We're gonna send them a private message, like actually an email where they must activate their account, and it's pretty complicated, so I don't want to piss you off guys with this lesson right here. So we're gonna do that in the next video. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.